to the Oswestry campus. We're going to show you around on a little tour of all of our facilities for our different courses. Welcome to Scholars. In Scholars we deliver professional cookery levels 1, 2 and 3. We have a professional kitchen and we have a restaurant where the outside clients actually come in and book in for a meal. Okay, this is our hairdressing salon where we deliver level 1, 2 and 3 in hairdressing and barbering. Again, it's run as a commercial enterprise and it is open to the public. The public book in on a normal salon basis and make an appointment. This is our beauty salon. Again, we offer levels 1, 2 and 3 beauty therapy. We have now nail technology. We actually cover hair and beauty at level 1. Again, it's open as a commercial salon and we have clients normal times booking in on a normal salon basis. This is one of our science labs. We have 2 at the Oswestry campus. So from here we deliver applied science at level 3 and we also have A-level psychology which is taught in one of these classrooms. This is our plumbing workshop and we deliver levels 1, level 2 and level 3 in plumbing. We have our bays of which the students working for the practical tasks, and on the top we have the mezzanine that they gather and create all their assignment work. Okay, this is our electrical workshop and here we deliver level 1 and level 2 electrical installations. As you can see, we have bays and the bays and the benches are where the students create the circuit boards and work on their practical tasks for the qualification. There's also a theory aspect attached to the course as well. This is our county training based in the Oswestry campus. So from here we do level 1 employability skills along with maths and English, and it's a good choice if you're not quite ready for a college course and you're looking for something a little bit different. So this is our IT classroom, so we run level 3 IT from here. We've got a similar computer suite just down the corridor which is for our level 3 media course. So this is our library, so in here we've got all of our computers available to be booked or used for lessons, and we've also got a private study area at the back where you can go for additional support if you need it. This is our multi-skills games area where sports students and UPS students use for their practical outdoor activities.